For the last topic of today, we are going to talk about the power of a power rule. So what does that rule state? Let's go up here. The power rule, so a to the m to the n is equal to a to the m times n. So we just multiply these exponents. So let's start with, let's do an example. So example 1, we want to simplify g to the 6/7 times to the 3/4. So keep in mind we want to use only positive exponents. So if it comes out negative, we have to apply the negative exponent rule. So since this is a power to a power, what do? I multiply. So this is g, and then 6/7 times 3/4. What do we do for exponents? We multiply. So 6/3, this is 18. 7/4, this is 28. Since they're both even, they're both divisible by 2. So I can reduce this. So divide top and bottom by 2. What do I get? This is 9/14. Right? And this is as reduced as possible. And the exponent is positive, so this is our answer. For example 2, really similar, except for we have g to the negative 6/7 to the 3/4. And then now I look at it, let's make it a little more interesting. So let's not use this one. Let's evaluate g, or let's simplify g to the negative 3/4 to 6/7, right? Just for fun. So now we're still going to apply the power of a power rule because this is a power of a power. So this is going to be g to the negative 3/4 times 6/7. Right? So one thing I didn't do here, but I'll do here since it's the same exponent, since we're multiplying, so this can actually be rewritten as g and then negative 3/2 times 2 times 2 times 3/7. So since these both have a common factor of 2, what can I do? These can be reduced to 1. So then this is g to the negative 9/14. Right? And we still get 9/14. But in this example, this is a negative exponent. So how do I make this positive? We're going to push it down. So this is going to be 1/g to the 9/14. As you can see, they're the same exponents. They may be in different order, different sign, but we still get the 9 in the numerator and 14 in the denominator. So it doesn't matter where the exponents are. One last comment I want to make. So over here, I rewrote the factors, but you don't have to. So let me rewrite. So if I have, right in blue this time. So if I have g to the negative 3/4 times 6/7, if you'd like, you can just change this to 2, this to 3. So instead of rewriting a whole new step, you can just do this, and then you'll still get g to the negative 9/14, which is 1/g to the 9/14.